Hi guys, my name's Rhiannon. I'm going to show you how to do this fairy makeup look. Like and subscribe if you want to see more like this, and I hope you enjoy. So you're going to start by gently exfoliating your face with a damp towel. Then grab your J bronze or any other illuminating cream and just rub this into your cheekbones. This gives your skin that nice dewy base for whatever goes on top. Grab your full coverage foundation. This one's Juvia's Place in shade Cebu, so pigmented. Apply that all over your face with a foundation brush. You can see how pigmented it is when I compare both my eyes. Wow. So we're going to finish off with our foundation, and then we're going to go in with our concealer. Today I'm using Juvia's Place concealer in shade J18 and J24. Just mixing those together and applying them under my eyes. I really love this concealer because it leaves behind that dewy effect and just stops everything from looking like a mask. After we've done our foundation and concealer, we're going to blend it all together with our beauty blender. And next I'm going to go in with Rhiannon Paige Contour Sticks. I'll list all the shades and products down below, so don't worry if I miss anything, you can check it out there. And again, just blend everything together with your sponge. And I'm just going to go in with a darker shade of those contour sticks and hollow out my cheekbones. And a little bit on my nose. Once that's all blended, I'm going to go in with Juvia's Place concealer in shade J24 and just highlight the areas of my face that I want to bring forward. Now, once that's all blended in, I'm just going to fix up a little bit on my nose. But once that's all blended, I didn't show you here, you just want to go in with a setting spray before you do a light powder. Just going to go in with some bronzer under my cheekbones. I'm using Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. Hope you enjoyed that song change. And we're going to pop some Inglot blush on top. This is just a custom palette, so I don't actually remember the name, but any pink that you like will work. Bring that right up to your temples because we're doing sort of an over-the-top look with this blush. And a little bit on your nose. So now onto brows, and I'm actually going to be using the P. Louise Pink Eyeshadow Primer for this. So I'm just going to brush it on and let it set. Next, I'm going to apply the same primer in the outer corner of my eyelids. Once I've got the primer in the shape I want it, I'm going to use a fluffy eyeshadow brush to blend it out. Here I'm using the brush to stretch the pink out so it looks a little bit more organic. Then using the fluffy brush again to make sure it's all blended. changing brushes here, I mixed the blue and green P. Louise eyeshadow primers together to get this really nice teal colour. I then went in on top of that with a little bit of blue-white shimmery highlighter from the Mitchell palette. So unfortunately my eye look ended up a little bit more blue than teal, but it looks alright. I then lined my eyes with BH liquid liner. Underneath, draw triangles to represent bunches of eyelashes. And pop on some glitter glue. The one I'm using here is LA Splash, and some glitter. When you are finished with the glitter around your eyes, grab your highlighter. The one I'm using here is the white blue shade from the Mitchell palette. I'm going to run it across the top of my cheekbones and make sure it's all blended. I added a little extra to the tip of my nose and top lip for some magical shimmer and shine. Can you guess what we're going to do here? That's right, pop some glitter glue on your cheekbones and with your finger, press on some glitter. Add some more glitter to the inner corners of your eyes and you're almost done. So I'm just going to put these lashes on off camera so you don't have to see the struggle. And last but not least, it's time to do the lips. So again, brand's down below, but I'm just using this matte nude pink and this rose gold liquid lipstick on top. That's the pinky nude all done. Now just going in with the rose gold. And yes, I am aware there is a pink mark next to my mouth. Don't worry, I clean that up later. And of course, I decided to add one more thing, going back in with my P. Louise white eyeshadow primer. And the end of a brush, I'm going to add in some white freckles. Just because. Add some cute accessories to bring everything together, and that's the final look. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and let me know if you have any ideas in the comments below.